Success and failure of new product is another aspect in case of new product decisions, and it is very much important for us to know that my new product will get success or it will be failed. It is very much dwindling position for me. If I am saying my product can get success, it depends upon my idea. What idea I have conceived at that moment, at the time of the idea generation. If that idea was good, my product will get success. Definitely. If my idea was faulty at that moment, then product may got success, may got failure. Therefore, first and foremost important point is what idea you have. Because as you know, an idea can change your life. Similar way, idea can change your life as well as the firm's life, the business life, the manufacturer life, the producer life. Therefore, you have to select, you have to generate those ideas which are very much peculiar and you have thought it meticulously. If you have the sincerity about that product or that idea, then the product will get success. Next, the channel of distribution. Mean to say what kind of the channel you have adopted. You retailers are reliable persons, wholesalers are reliable persons. If they are not reliable persons, then you cannot think of it that your new product will get success. It will automatically get failure. Why? Because of different people, different channels who have connected with you. If they are getting good response from the consumers on the basis of their behavior, or they have created a good listening with them, with the consumers, then you can say okay, your product will get success. If no, automatically your product will get failure. Therefore, it is very much important to select the channels. There will no any channel conflict. The terms and conditions, what they perceive from you, what they expect from you, have you followed those terms and conditions? If yes, product will get success. If no, product will be failure. Now, the price. Price, as I stated, exchange value of the product. What price you fixed? At what level you fixed? What strategy for the pricing you adopted? That was skimming pricing policy, that was penetration pricing policy. What kind of the policy you adopt? Therefore, it is necessary that price should be competitive and reasonable. If it is reasonable and price is very much competitive, as per the quality parameters of the product, your product will get success. Otherwise, it will be failure. Next one is market segmentation. How you have segmented your market? As you know, my dear students, there are different bases for the segmentation of the market on the basis of the demographic, psychographic, technologically, environmentally, or socially, or culturally. Different bases you adopt for your market segmentation. Have you think about that your product is meant for that particular segment and you have sold your product in that segment? Automatically you get success. If your segment mean to say your product is meant for northern area and you are willing to sell it in the southern area, nobody will purchase. Therefore, it is necessary to make a proper segmentation of your market if you are willing to get the success of your product. Product will be succeed as and when you have made market segmentation in a proper manner. Next one is quality of product. As I stated earlier, quality of product is very much important aspect. You know very well. If you are fit or you have committed that okay, I will provide qualitative product to the society, and you have given, then product will get success. If you have ditched or you have dished to any customer, any stakeholder of the society, or you have to not commit it properly, then the product will not get success. Therefore, it is necessary for us that the quality parameters of about any new product or for any new product or the existing product may not be compromised. As and when the compromise of the quality of the product is to be done by you, automatically your product will be failure. Therefore, it is the prime responsibility of our producers, firms, factories, organizations that we have to deliver qualitative products. Next, marketing information system. For the success of the new product, if you have a good MIS, it is not management information system, it is marketing information system. Mean to say you have established a foolproof, authentic information system about your marketing of your product. Mean to say you are very versed or very well versed about each and every information. What is happening in the northern region? How many products are being sold today? And what is my stock? What is my buffer stock? What is my economic order quantity? What is the value of my raw material? How many units are in my stock? And what kind of the inventory system I adopted? I adopted LIFO, FIFO, etc. etc. You should have each and every peculiar information with you. If the information is strong, then you can develop the strategies. You can change as per the requirement of the market and you can get the success. Therefore, it is prime concern for you that you should have a properly established or authentic marketing information system. Next one is the last point, update research and development. What it mean to say? You have to focus upon research and development activities every time. As and when you will receive information or an information from the market that the design of this product may be modified or this additional feature is giving by the competitor in its product, okay, I can develop immediately. I am producing a particular sanitizer and the competitor sanitizer is knob is not down or knocking down or as per the design of the parrot peak. What I have to do? Immediately I have to change the design of the nose of that particular sanitizer. If my competitor is providing different kind of the products and I can add the additional feature, additional utility in my product, why not? But it is possible and feasible when you will focus upon your research and development every day, every time. Therefore, it is necessary to get the success of a product. We have to follow these aspects: good idea, no channel conflict, reasonable price, proper market segmentation, good qualitative products, having strong marketing information system, and updated research and development, then there is no point that the success of the new product will not be achieved by me. If I will follow, or you will follow, being a manufacturer, organization, or individual, if these 7 aspects are to be followed in a proper manner, then we can get success for our new product in the market. And from the average stockholder, we can say, okay, I have committed for our qualitative products and I am providing these things to update the standard of living or to boost the standard of living of the society. That's very much important to get the success of the product.